Do you know the inside layout of this tiny house design? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of this tiny house. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 10 feet in meter 3 meter. So in the front we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also tea unit on the front wall. And we have a single bed here, and also we have dining counter with 2 chairs and wash basin arrangement. You can see here the 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose also. And after that we'll go on the left side. So we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. And also we have a large size window for ventilation of kitchen area. If we go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.